Oh, Kim Malabunga rising up for the point.
I'll say this as a matter of fact. Not to take anything away from Retamar nor Casanya. The difference maker is Ishbal Borosa.
And now, after that monstrous hit by they give us a comeback though. 16-20. Sumang first ball. Jewel on to Kim. And Malabunga will not be denied. Asia celebrating with him.
Alam mo yung value ni Wendell Miguel, hindi lang yung tinatry niyang ilabas yung energy ng mga kalaban nung kasama pala niya. Minsan kasi hindi nang mawawala yung doubts.
At the side, 21-24. Kim Malabunga will end set number 3.
Boom, boom, pow for Kim Malabunga. And Kim Possible strikes again. No more late rallies. Now, 2 straight sets for 1 set.